Another data model is network model. So what is a network? Network is nothing but interconnection. So many interconnections we have for exchange of information, that is generally network meaning. Okay. This model is also an extension of the hierarchical model. It is also most popular before the relational model. This model is same as the hierarchical model. The only difference is that record can have more than one parent. So child can have more than one parent. It replaces the hierarchical tree with a graph. So here we can traverse the network model easily, and we can traverse easily, and we can find the path also in many ways. Example, here we are going to give 2 3 examples, just you can observe. So from these examples, so I'm giving one college example. So college, department, library, and student. So here college is a parent node, so two child node, CSE department and library. Student, only one child node has two parents. Okay, CSE department and library. So here it established the relationship is one student, one child node, many parents. So here network model advantage is it can establish the relationship one to many, many to one, and many to many relationships. So it is also complex structure. And see from the second example, this is some sales marketing example. Agents, that is a parent node, and we have two child nodes, clients and entertainers. Again, this clients has two child nodes, payments and engagements, and entertainers also two child nodes, engagements and music style. Here engagements is a common child of both clients and entertainers. That means this child node has two parents. So here we have many multi-parents per child node, single child node. Okay. So this is the difference between hierarchical model and network model. Here it gives the many to many relationship. Now what are the features of network model? Ability to merge more relationships, many paths. So while developing the program, we are using the concept of circular linked list. So what is ability to merge more relationships? There are more relationships, so the data is more related to each other because there are more number of interconnections. So parent to child and child to parent, and we have multiple parents, or we are connecting childs together. So that means the data is more related, and it is not easy to understand the network model. If anybody want to work with network model, so initially try to understand the network model and then analyze the network model, and then they can work with network model easily. So many paths. There are more relationships. So we can consider this as a graph. So in a graph, if there are more interconnections, we can find so many paths to reach the same record or to reach the child node. This makes data access fast and simple. Circular linked list. The operations on the network model are done with the help of a circular linked list. So the current position is maintained with the help of a program, and this position navigates through the records according to the relationship. Why here we considered circular linked list? That means the interconnection from last node to first node. Okay, so here each and every node in the linked list contains the address of the previous node and next node also. If it is a double linked list, we can say the previous node address and next node address. So this is the advantage of circular linked list. So these are the features of network model: ability to match more relationships and many paths, circular linked list. So if you go to about this merge more relationship, just you can see from this picture, if I want to traverse up to the node leaf node student, so from parent node college, so college to CSE department and student, this is one path, and college, library, library to student, this is another path. So like this, we can traverse in different paths. This is advantage of the network model, or it is, we can say, it is a features of network model. So advantage in compared to hierarchical model, we can get fast data access within a network model. This model also allows creating more complex and more strong queries compared to the database with a hierarchical database model. The user can execute variety of database queries when selecting the network model. Why? Because this network model consists of more number of interconnections, and these interconnections are interrelated. So that's why it is a complex relationship. Disadvantages of the network model. The network model is very complex database model. So the user must be very familiar with the overall structure of the database. So updating inside this database is quite difficult and boring task. We need the help of the application programs that is being used to navigate the data. Here we can perform insertion operation and deletion operation. But here we have to maintain the current position of the node. Okay. So if you are going to implement some programming technique, there we are using pointers, either C or C programming, we are using pointers, and we can develop a program for linked list program, and we are implementing this network model by using data structure linked list. So these are the main advantages of disadvantages of the network model. These models are very important